Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance. Korean Airlines Cancellation Policy. Korean Air's cancellation policy offers flexibility for passengers, with full refunds available if cancellations are made within 24 hours of booking. Refundable tickets can be cancelled for a refund, while non-refundable tickets may qualify for travel credits. Cancellation fees vary based on fare type and route, with flex fares typically incurring no charges. Refunds for partially used tickets are adjusted accordingly. Refund requests should be submitted within 1 year of ticket issuance, and processing times vary based on payment methods. Korean Air's cancellation policy is designed to accommodate various passenger needs, offering flexibility while ensuring operational efficiency. Below is an overview of the key aspects of their cancellation policy. Refund eligibility. Refunds are available for tickets purchased under refundable fare conditions. Non-refundable tickets may not qualify for a refund, but passengers can often opt for a travel voucher or credit for future travel. Cancellation timeframe. To receive a full refund, passengers must cancel their booking within 24 hours of purchase. This policy applies to tickets booked directly through Korean Air. Refund request deadline. Refund requests should be submitted at least 30 days before the ticket's expiration date, which is typically 1 year from the date of issue. Cancellation fees. Depending on the fare type and route, cancellation fees may apply. For instance, flex fares can be cancelled without a fee, while other fare types may incur charges. Refund processing time. Korean Air aims to process refund requests within 3 business days. Refunds are typically credited to the original form of payment, with processing times varying based on the payment method. Booking through third parties. If a ticket was purchased through a travel agency or third-party website, passengers should contact the respective agency to request a refund, as Korean Air may not process refunds for such bookings directly. Required documentation. To process a refund, passengers need to provide the e-ticket itinerary, the receipt for purchasing the ticket, and a valid photo ID. Refund for partially used tickets. Refunds are generally available for unused portions of a ticket. For partially used tickets, the refund amount may be adjusted based on the fare rules and the portion of the journey completed. Special circumstances. In cases of flight cancellations or significant delays caused by Korean Air, passengers may be entitled to compensation under applicable regulations, such as the EU Regulation 261/2004. Contact information. For assistance with cancellations and refunds, passengers can reach out to Korean Air's customer service through their official website or by calling their dedicated support line. Please note that policies are subject to change, and it's advisable to consult Korean Air's official website or contact their customer service for the most current information. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.